The Hermitage Museum in St. Petersburg is one of the most famous and iconic museums in the world. Located in the heart of the city, it is a must-see for art lovers and history buffs alike. The Hermitage boasts an impressive collection of over 3 million works of art and artifacts from various periods and styles. From ancient Egyptian relics to Renaissance masterpieces, visitors can immerse themselves in a rich cultural heritage. In addition to its extensive art collection, the Hermitage is also known for its stunning architecture and picturesque landscapes. The museum complex consists of several historic buildings, including the Winter Palace, which was once the official residence of Russian emperors. For those planning a trip to St. Petersburg, visiting the Hermitage should be at the top of their list. It is advisable to allocate enough time, as there is much to see and appreciate here. In addition, guided tours are available for those who want to gain a deeper understanding of the museum's history and collections. Whether you are an art enthusiast or just someone interested in exploring cultural attractions during your travels, a visit to the Hermitage promises an enriching experience that will leave you in awe of its beauty and historical significance.